Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Andreas, and in this short video I will show you how to install a WordPress through cPanel. Here there are two options to find the WordPress manager. Here is one on the left, it says here WordPress manager, or you can scroll down and you see here also there is the option WordPress manager. You can click this or this one, is the same, and you have some options. You see here that I have already some websites that are installed. All these are WordPress installations. Okay, and here you have some options to install a new one, remove one, update. Okay, you can log into the admin through this panel, but let's install a new one. This is the purpose. So we have to click install, and then here you have some options. Here you have to choose the domain first of all. Make sure that you have this HTTPS. Okay, you have first to have SSL installed for the domain, and then here you choose the domain. You find on the list with the domains you have, and it's supposed that you already have connected your domain with the hosting. Okay, if you have purchased the domain in a different provider than the hosting provider, you have to integrate these two together, and I will make a separate video to show you how to integrate the hosting with a domain in case they are purchased in separate providers. But if they are purchased in the same provider, it will be more simpler. So let's say you have already connected the domain, and here on the list you find the domain you want to install the new WordPress. I have created a new testing domain for this purpose for the video. Let me find it. Here is this. Okay, so make sure you have HTTPS and then the domain. Actually, for me, it's a subdomain now. It's not a main domain, because you can install a WordPress on a subdomain, on a main domain, or a subdirectory. And here is the subdirectory. I will explain shortly this. For example, the domain can be, my domain is terradigita.com. And here I will use a subdomain which is testing.terradigita.com. But you can make it also. Here you can write testing, and it could be the main domain, and the site will be installed testing.terradigita.com/testing. But in the most of the cases you don't want this, so make sure always this is empty. Okay, you delete the WP you see here, you delete it and you make sure this is empty. Here you don't change anything, you just choose the leave the version of the WordPress which is always there, the latest. Don't change anything. Before we continue, if you want to get your own e-learning website preloaded with 250 courses that you can sell and keep 100% of the profits for yourself, or your own digital store preloaded with 265 ebooks that you can sell and keep the profits for yourself, click the link below in the description to get more info and get yours today. Or if you want to know what is my favorite way to create passive income from affiliate marketing, then also in the description below there is a link you can click and join for free today. Let's continue with the video now. Here you have to choose a username and a password. Make sure you choose a complex password. So I will use one like for now for the testing purposes, and I will make like a strong password 123. Here you can put the email you want to receive the login informations, and here you use an username. You can make like for testing now I will use this testing username. Okay, and then the rest actually you leave it how it is, except if you want to choose another language than English. Okay, the rest I leave it how it is, and then I click install, and it will take about half minute to install it. Okay, it's done. So you have to log into the admin area by clicking this one, this link, which is the domain/wp-admin. Okay, you click this, and congratulations, you have successfully installed a new WordPress in a new domain or subdomain. This is for this video. Make sure to watch the rest of my videos to see how to install plugins, themes, and learn everything about WordPress. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like it, subscribe to see more videos about WordPress and make money online, share this video with your friends, and see you in another video. Bye bye.